The 2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, CD player, heated front seats, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, tachometer, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.